Oppa, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another episode. Once again, we're cooking with our beautiful CrossRay BBQ. What we're going to do today is cook something very special, and if you look in front of me and have a close look, you may recognise the meat, but before I tell you what it is, let's thank Betty from Preston Free Range Poultry and Game for giving us some beautiful kangaroo. And yes, Jack the Greek is going to cook kangaroo on the CrossRay BBQ today. We are going to complement it with some beetroot, some feta, some rocket, and also some sweet potato chips. With the kangaroo, we've got a few pieces here. We're going to select which ones we want. Betty from Preston Free Range Poultry and Game gave me some beautiful pieces, some back straps, some bits behind the neck, some bits near the tail. What we're going to do is we're probably going to pick these two bits here. They're about 250, 300 grams each. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook them for around 5 minutes on either side. Then we're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes. Now, we've got our CrossRay BBQ already. We've got all 4 burners on high. The temperature is around 300 degrees. We don't want to cook it too long because we don't want it also drying up and getting a bit tough. So it's a bit of a delicacy how to cook this kangaroo. So you need to watch carefully. While that's cooking, I'll show you exactly how we're going to prepare our condiments on the side. So here we go. Now, very simple. Nice and hot. We'll grab our 2 pieces, come in close and have a look. I'm just going to place them like that. Beautiful. Just it. There we go. Just 2 pieces is enough. We're going to let them cook there for around 5 minutes and then we're going to turn them over. But remember, you must put the hood down because we want it to create that extra heat to start cooking it from the inside out. And as you can see, bit of a sneak peek, our kangaroo is cooking away on the CrossRay BBQ. Now while it's cooking, we've got to time it. It's been in there for a couple of minutes now. Now I'm going to put in my sweet potato. And I'm just going to put them on the side just like this. That won't take long, but the timing will be perfect because they'll be ready as soon as the kangaroo is ready as well. In the meantime now, let's just start preparing our plate. First of all, we're going to put some rocket, just like this. Beautiful. Put a little bit more. Doesn't matter how much you put. You can put mixed lettuce. I prefer rocket with the kangaroo. It adds that bitterness to it. Next, just here, we have some beautiful beetroot, just like that. Up, there we go. Just like that. Just a few. We don't want too many. There we go. Just like that. And I can hear it. Oppa, it's sounding fantastic in there. So there we go. Now, just wipe that clean there. Put these away. And we get our feta. And our feta, we just get a slice of feta. Beautiful Doroni feta from any deli. And just pour it on there like that. Oppa, just like that. There we go. And Jack the Greek style, we don't need to mix it up. Grab a little vinegar, just like that, straight on. Oppa. A bit of olive oil, doesn't matter which one you get. But again, we don't need to measure everything. Just put it straight on like that. That will be enough. Just like that. And of course, a little bit of alaki. Done. So put that aside. And now we have our plate halfway ready to go. Now, come in close, just like this, and let's have a look at how we're going with our kangaroo. Oh, look at that. Oppa. We'll turn it over. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oppa. Beautiful. Just like that. Okay. Have a look at our potatoes just here. Our sweet potatoes. We're going to make these into sweet potato chips. Just like that. Oppa. We'll close it again. And with around 4 or 5 minutes to go, we're ready to plate up our beautiful kangaroo cooked by Jack the Greek. Oppa. It's been around 12 minutes, not actually 10 that I said. It's a little bit thicker than what I would have expected, the kangaroo. So I've left it on for a little bit longer. So it's been around 12 minutes now. And as you can see, everything is ready. So what we're going to do is just take off our beautiful kangaroo, just like this. Oppa. And obviously our chips as well. So what we're going to do is put our chips straight in there, just like that. Oppa. Oh, nice and hot. Oppa, look at these chips. Our beautiful sweet potatoes. And what we're going to do is just close the lid on our CrossRay BBQ. And we're going to let our meat rest for around 5 minutes. So we're just going to leave it like that. I want to put a bit of foil on top. And we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes. And then we're going to slice it up and put it on our plate. Oppa. We're back again for the final stages of our beautiful kangaroo steaks on the CrossRay BBQ. Just to recap, we've been cooking it for about 6 minutes on either side with our kangaroo. on the CrossRay BBQ with all 4 burners on low. We brought it up to about 75 degrees temperature on the inside, which means it's all ready to go. We've had it here resting for around 5 minutes. We've made our beautiful side salad, which is a bit of rocket, beetroot, feta, and a side dish of beautiful sweet potato chips, again, cooked on the CrossRay BBQ. So now it's time to put our kangaroo on our plate. So let's just take the foil off and see how it's going. Beautiful. This has been resting for around 5 minutes, and we're about to slice it up into pieces now. And let's have a look and see how that's going. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. Look at this beautiful meat. And we need to thank our beautiful friend, Betty, from Preston, Free Range Poultry and Game, for supplying our kangaroo today. Beautiful. Look at these beautiful steaks. Oh, yes. Look how juicy it is. Opas. And this can only be done, ladies and gentlemen, on our CrossRay BBQ. And we better not make this little sign, because it's not Skippy, it's our kangaroo. So, again, we've sliced it. We've got it ready to plate up, and look how beautiful and juicy that is. So we're just going to plate it up just like this. Beautiful pieces. Opas. Just like that. Just like that. And we'll cut our other one as well. To cut a few more pieces out of this one. And then we are right to go. Oh yes, look at this. And again, for both pieces, the nice and beautiful juicy pieces just like that. So we'll keep that there, and we'll add these pieces just here to add to the plate. And there we have it. Our beautiful, one more. Let's not forget that one. And there we go. We'll put this aside for now. Just like that. Hoppa. Wipe this down a bit. Put this here. And let's not forget now, we've got our salt and pepper. Plenty of pepper on that, just like that. And plenty of salt as well. As you know, Jack the Greek loves his salt. So we're now done. Again, let's summarize. We cooked some beautiful 300 grams portions of kangaroo meat on the CrossRay BBQ for around 12-13 minutes. We had some beautiful sweet potato chips that we'd also grilled. And on the side, as a salad, beetroot, rocket, feta. You can't go wrong. But hey, Jack the Greek and kangaroo, I think we're a good partnership. Opa.